Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lexus LX 500D and the Mercedes G Wagon. Both vehicles represent the pinnacle of luxury SUVs, but they cater to different preferences. The LX 500D emphasizes comfort and a smooth ride, while the G Wagon is renowned for its rugged capability and distinctive design. We will explore their performance, interior, and overall value to help you decide. When it comes to performance, the Lexus LX 500D typically features a 3.3-liter twin-turbo diesel engine, delivering substantial torque for various terrains. The G Wagon, on the other hand, often boasts powerful V8 engines, providing exhilarating acceleration and a commanding presence. Both SUVs are equipped with sophisticated four-wheel drive systems and locking differentials, ensuring impressive capability when venturing off the beaten path. Inside, the Lexus LX 500D provides a sanctuary of comfort, featuring plush leather, exquisite wood trim, and a quiet ride. Its cabin is designed for ultimate relaxation, with intuitive technology and ample space. The G Wagon presents a unique blend of utilitarian design and luxury, showcasing robust materials alongside modern digital displays. Both vehicles offer cutting-edge infotainment systems and comprehensive safety features for a premium driving experience. Ultimately, choosing between the Lexus LX 500D and the G Wagon depends on your priorities. The LX 500D delivers exceptional luxury and capability at a potentially more accessible price point, making it a strong value. The G Wagon, with its iconic status and robust performance, often comes with a higher premium. For those seeking a blend of comfort and adventure, the LX is compelling. If you prioritize a distinctive statement and extreme off-road prowess, the G Wagon stands out. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.